Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your home for daily deep dives into the smartest tech you can actually use. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most advanced dash cams on the market right now, the VIOFO A229 Plus. This is more than just a dash cam, it's a full-featured, high-resolution security system for your vehicle, built to deliver unmatched clarity, control, and peace of mind every time you hit the road. Let's start with the most impressive part. The VIOFO A229 Plus is a dual-channel dash cam setup that captures footage in stunning 1440p quality both front and rear. That's Quad HD video from both angles, powered by the incredible STARVIS 2 image sensors that give you industry-leading low-light performance. Whether you're driving in broad daylight or on a pitch-black road, this thing captures every detail clearly, crisply, and with minimal noise. And because both cameras support HDR, you don't have to worry about glares, reflections, or shadowy distortions ruining your evidence when it matters most. One of the best features is the voice control. Instead of reaching for buttons while driving, just tell the A229 Plus what to do. Whether you want to start recording, take a snapshot, or lock a clip, your voice handles it all. That means hands-free safety without giving up any control. On top of that, the built-in GPS logs your speed, location, and route data in real time. It's one of those underrated features you'll be glad you have if you ever need to dispute an incident or prove where you were. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi support is fast and responsive. You can easily connect to your smartphone through the VIOFO app and instantly view, download, or manage your footage without removing the SD card. It's ideal for people who don't want to mess around with cables or desktop transfers every time they drive. Build-wise, this dash cam is sleek and compact but extremely durable. It stays cool even in direct sunlight and mounts discreetly without drawing attention. The onboard screen is bright and intuitive to navigate, and it supports MicroSD cards up to 512 GB so you never run out of space. Add in buffered parking mode, motion detection, and all the core protections you'd expect from a high-end dash cam, and you've got a serious upgrade for your car's safety tech. Whether you drive for work, travel often, or just want to stay protected against the unexpected, the VIOFO A229 Plus is a serious tool you'll be glad you invested in. It captures the road like few others can and gives you the power of clear evidence when it counts. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's safety system, the link to the A229 Plus is down below. Make sure to check it out, and if you're into smart, functional tech like this, hit that like button, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and turn on notifications. We upload fresh gear reviews every single day to keep you ahead of the curve.